Hello? To create a new project, click on this button, New Project. Name your project. Then click this blue button. The project you created appears on the screen. Just click Open Project to open it. Click Enter. Check here if you no longer wish to see this welcome screen. In the center of the screen is the area where you will create your animation. This is where it all happens. You can resize this area according to your preferences. On the left side, we see these buttons. And here is the menu with the basic features of any software you have ever used. Save, Edit, Preferences, Help. This will be explained later. In Media, you can access the project's image files, the drawings. In Actors, you can create characters from the project's media. Audio files contain voiceovers and sounds to be used in the project. Clips are like scenes. You can create multiple clips. Here on the right side, we have the gestures. This is the coolest part of AnimaPIC. Here is the project information, such as the title and author. Here, you can also access tutorial videos. This way, you can clear up any doubts you may have while working on an animation. In this lower section of the animation area, you can see the clip title you're editing, the time, the play, stop, and loop commands, and the video screen zoom. And finally, here is the timeline. This is where things happen in the animation as time passes. And here are the titles of the layers for each element you add to your movie.